Hello, people. So it's a Friday, and I'm about to leave to go and pick up my child. And I just have to say this, for the past 3 days, I have been doing 45 times Surya Namaskar every day. And as of yesterday, I did this how to prevent double chin exercise that you can find on there's this Instagram page called Karina Moore. So it really helps those of us who have like a chubby face, especially double chin. I think it's already helped. Yeah, see, got such a nice chin. Yeah, whatever. So really, people, it's been so long since I chatted with you all. Yeah, it's nice to sit and chat, instead of always book reviews and restaurant reviews and all of that reviews. So it's nice to chat. So I'll catch you all in my next video because I'm so used to making 2 videos at a time. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.